Hey guys, today I introduce one of the most favorite food, teriyaki salmon. In Japan, teriyaki isn't just for chicken. It's also used for the fish. Teriyaki sauce goes very well with a healthy fish. You can make it in under the 10 minutes, so even when you are short on time, it's easy to whip up. It's healthier and even more than teriyaki chicken. So let's make teriyaki salmon together! Introduce ingredients. It's salmon. You can use a various type of fish, not just salmon. And then it's all about the seasoning. Sugar, sake, mirin, soy sauce, flour, and white sesame seeds. That's it. Now let's get started. First, we need to remove the excess moisture from the salmon. Removing the moisture helps the flavor to be absorbed better, so be sure to do this. Then, season both sides with a pinch of salt and pepper for some extra flavor. Next, sprinkle some flour on the surface. Coating it with the flour prevents the fish from falling apart and helps the teriyaki sauce to adhere better. Now let's prepare the teriyaki sauce. Add soy sauce, sake, mirin, and sugar. All the seasonings are 1 tablespoon each. Easy to remember, right? And mix well. That's it! Preparation is complete! Now let's move on to cooking! First, let's simmer the sauce for a bit. Simmer it over low heat until it reduces by about half. At first, it will be quite watery, as you can see here. Once it reduces to about this amount, you can take it off the heat and back to the container. Next, wipe the remaining sauce from the pan. And add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then, place the salmon you prepare earlier in the pan and cook over the medium heat. After cooking for about 3 minutes, flip the salmon and cook the other side. Make sure it doesn't get too dark. You can check it periodically to ensure it's just right. Once both sides are nearly cooked, return the teriyaki sauce to the pan and simmer over low heat. By simmering it together with the salmon, the flavor will meld together. Occasionally flip the salmon and spoon the sauce over it to let the flavor infuse. After the simmering for about 1 minute, turn off the heat, and all that's left is to plate it. Plating with some vegetable makes for a healthier and visually appealing dish. Gently plate the salmon on the plate so it doesn't fall apart. Then drizzle the remaining sauce from the pan over it. Finally, sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top, and teriyaki salmon is ready! Finish!
So let's いただきます。
Now let's begin! When it comes to teriyaki, preparing some rice to go with it is essential. Look at the glassy teriyaki coating! This might just be the best teriyaki I've ever made. It's incredibly delicious! And trust me, it's even better when you have it with rice. Give it a try by making the easy teriyaki sauce from scratch and pairing it with some salmon. You won't be disappointed! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!